Hi, this is Mike Negami, Lean Sigma Black Belt. In this episode, we will practice how to draw a value stream map that Toyota Production System created using an Excel template. You can download this template from my blog site econoshift.com. This is the template. It uses macros, so click these buttons after downloading the file. There are 12 hyperlinks here. Click each link makes a representative shape that is used in value stream mapping for non-manufacturing processes. For example, click here object flow icon, information flow icon, and process step icon. Drag them to draw a map to describe your process. However, before drawing a value stream map, you should complete a SIPOC analysis on your process. I talked about how to make a SIPOC analysis in the prior video. Please watch that too. This is a result of the SIPOC analysis. You can make a list of objects and information that come into and out of each process step. You can make a value stream map by following this SIPOC diagram. Let's start drawing a value stream map. First, make all process step icons. Click this link, process step. Type a department name in the upper square and its process procedure in the square below. Make all process steps icon and it will look like this. Traditionally, we put the first step in the upper left corner and lay out the other steps counterclockwise from it. But since you'll change the arrangement as you continue, you should not focus on appearance until the end. Next, draw items before and after the first step. This is a part of our SIPOC diagram. The supplier is your customer and the customer is your receiving department. Since both are not shown in the following process steps, make their icons. Click here on the customer icon and use the department icon for the receiving department and type its name on the icon. The inputs from your customer are returned products and the other inputs are all information. So you need object flow and information flow icons. This is an Excel tip. Drag on the edge of the arrow and move it to another shape. Then black points will appear on the shape. If you release your mouse on one of the black points, it turns into a green point. Now, if you move the shape, the arrow will move with it. Another tip is this. Press the Ctrl key on your keyboard. While pressing it, drag and drop a shape. You can copy the shape very easily. Connect it to the box. Don't focus on appearance so much here yet. The outputs from this step are object flow and information flow icons. I will make and connect them. Repeat this on all of the following process steps. It will look like this. We'll put the names of inputs and outputs. But before that, it's better to finalize all the shapes layout. Arrange them to not overlap each other's arrows as much as you can. Here is the third Excel tip for today. While pressing the Ctrl key on your keyboard, click multiple shapes. Then you can move them together. This is the completion of our layout. You can move overlapped arrows little by little by pressing arrow keys on your keyboard. Lastly, make names for objects and information items. An input from the customer is returned products. Click text box and type it. Then put it around here. The rest of the inputs are all information, so put them in another text box. Repeat this on all outputs and inputs, and this is the final completion of value stream mapping. Let me summarize all procedures. 1. Conduct a SIPOC analysis. 2. Make all process step icons. 3. Make all object and information flows and connect them to process step boxes. 4. Complete the whole layout. 5. Put the object and information names in their text boxes. We practiced how to draw a value stream map today. Please practice and master value stream mapping using this template. Thank you very much for viewing.